11 canned foods are being pulled from Walmart's supply commitments, and the deadline is already written into the contract calendar. Not one product, not one category, all 11 at once. I went through quarterly reports and recent earnings calls from the biggest names in canned food. Same answer every time. This countdown runs from the first gaps you'll notice to the one you would never expect. Number 2 on this list surprises nearly everyone. A brand on shelves since 1898, now hit by a steel tariff most shoppers never think about. By the end, you'll know exactly which to act on before August. Number 11. Canned refried beans. Canned refried beans may seem like one of the safest pantry staples because they're inexpensive and commonly made from beans grown in the United States. However, current market conditions suggest prices could increase. The 2025 dry bean harvest was significantly below average due to drought and reduced planting acreage, tightening domestic supplies. At the same time, many canned refried beans rely on imported Mexican pinto beans, which became more expensive after new tariffs took effect in early 2026. With both domestic and imported supplies under pressure, manufacturers are facing higher production costs. Existing retail prices may still reflect older supply contracts, but those agreements won't last forever. Buying a case now could help avoid higher prices later this year. Number 10. Canned evaporated milk. Canned evaporated milk has been a reliable pantry staple for generations, but rising production costs could soon affect its price. Dairy production has slowed because of herd health concerns and lingering effects from drought in major milk-producing states. Lower milk supplies have reduced inventories of processed dairy products, increasing pressure throughout the industry. At the same time, the metal cans used for evaporated milk have become more expensive because of higher steel and aluminum costs. Since packaging represents a significant share of the product's total cost, even modest increases can quickly raise retail prices. If you regularly use evaporated milk for baking, cooking, or emergency storage, purchasing several cans now may help you avoid future price increases. Number 9. Canned chicken. Canned chicken is often overlooked, but it remains one of the most convenient sources of shelf-stable protein. Recent industry reports suggest production costs are increasing because poultry producers continue dealing with expensive animal feed and the long-term effects of avian influenza outbreaks. Supply growth has slowed, while consumer demand for long-lasting protein has remained strong. These conditions often lead manufacturers and retailers to reduce product varieties and increase prices. Since canned chicken is useful for quick meals, salads, soups, and emergency food storage, keeping a reasonable supply at home makes sense. Buying a case before new pricing takes effect may provide savings while ensuring you have a dependable, ready-to-eat protein source available whenever needed. Number 8. Canned corned beef. Canned corned beef is easy to overlook, yet it remains a versatile pantry staple with a long shelf life. Much of the canned corned beef sold in the United States is imported, particularly from Brazil. Recent changes to import inspection requirements have increased processing times at ports, creating additional costs for importers. New tariffs on processed beef have also added financial pressure throughout the supply chain. When import costs rise from multiple directions, retailers often respond with higher prices or reduced product availability. If canned corned beef is part of your emergency food supply or regular meal planning, purchasing several cans before future price adjustments may help you save money and maintain a dependable pantry stock. Number 7. Canned sardines and mackerel. Canned sardines and mackerel have become increasingly popular because they provide affordable, nutritious protein with a long shelf life. However, supply challenges are emerging in several important fishing regions. Disagreements over fishing quotas in northern European waters have created uncertainty for mackerel supplies, while higher tariffs on processed seafood from parts of Asia have increased import costs. When both major sourcing regions experience disruptions simultaneously, importers often reduce specialty products first before increasing prices across the entire category. As inventories tighten, shoppers may notice fewer choices and higher shelf prices. If you regularly enjoy canned seafood for meals or emergency preparedness, buying extra cans now could help avoid paying more later this year. Number 6. Canned chili with beans. Canned chili with beans is a popular convenience food because it combines protein, beans, and seasoning in a single ready-to-eat meal. However, manufacturers are facing higher costs from several key ingredients. Pork supplies remain tighter than previous years, while dry bean acreage has declined, putting pressure on another essential ingredient. Rising production expenses have already affected many shelf-stable food companies, making future retail price increases more likely. When multiple ingredients become more expensive at the same time, manufacturers often renegotiate contracts with retailers, leading to higher prices on store shelves. If canned chili is one of your favorite pantry meals, stocking several cans now could provide both convenience and potential savings before prices adjust. Number 5. Canned wild Alaskan salmon. Canned wild Alaskan salmon has long been valued as an affordable way to enjoy wild-caught seafood year-round. However, forecasts for the 2026 salmon harvest indicate significantly lower catches than previous seasons, especially for pink salmon, the primary species used in canned products. Smaller harvests generally mean processors have less fish available for canning, which often results in reduced production and higher prices. Retailers may also carry fewer product varieties as supplies tighten. With seafood prices already trending upward, canned wild salmon could become more expensive over the coming months. If you regularly include salmon in your meals for its flavor and nutritional benefits, purchasing several cans now may be a smart way to prepare. Number 4. Canned Italian tomatoes. Canned Italian tomatoes are a favorite ingredient for pasta sauces, soups, stews, and homemade pizza because of their rich flavor and consistent quality. Much of the supply sold in the United States comes directly from Italy. Recent tariff increases on imported processed tomato products have raised costs for importers, many of whom temporarily absorbed those expenses under existing contracts. As those agreements expire, retailers are expected to adjust prices to reflect higher import costs. This means shoppers could soon see noticeable increases on popular Italian tomato brands. If you cook frequently with canned tomatoes or prefer authentic Italian varieties, buying several cans now may help you avoid paying higher prices in the near future. Number 3. Canned ham. Canned ham may seem old-fashioned, but it remains a practical pantry staple because of its long shelf life and versatility. Many canned ham products sold in the United States are imported from European countries, where recent tariff changes have increased costs on both the processed pork itself and the steel containers used for packaging. These combined expenses create significant financial pressure for importers, making future retail price increases more likely. Since few companies can absorb those additional costs indefinitely, consumers may eventually face higher prices or reduced product availability. If canned ham is part of your emergency food supply or regular meal planning, stocking several cans now could help you save money later. Number 2. Canned soup. Canned soup has remained a dependable pantry staple for well over a century, offering quick, convenient meals for busy households. Recently, however, soup manufacturers have reported higher costs for ingredients, including vegetables, meat, and steel packaging. Rising steel prices affect every can produced, while increased food commodity costs add further pressure throughout the manufacturing process. As existing retail contracts expire, many companies are expected to renegotiate prices with major retailers, potentially leading to noticeable increases on store shelves. Since canned soup stores well and is useful for everyday meals or emergency preparedness, purchasing a dozen or more cans of your favorite varieties before future price adjustments could provide meaningful savings over time. Number 1. Canned tuna. Canned tuna remains one of the most popular pantry foods because it is affordable, versatile, and rich in protein. However, several factors could push prices higher during the second half of 2026. Thailand, the largest supplier of canned tuna to the United States, is now subject to higher import tariffs on processed tuna products. At the same time, lower skipjack tuna catches in the Western Pacific have reduced the supply of the species most commonly used in canned tuna. When rising import costs combine with smaller harvests, manufacturers and retailers often increase prices. If canned tuna is a regular part of your pantry, buying 6 to 12 cans now may help reduce future grocery costs. One pressure system hitting 11 different cans simultaneously, reimposed tariffs, harvest shortfalls, and metal packaging cost increases all landing at once. Two types of people will walk into Walmart in September: those who find options missing and prices higher without knowing why, and those who made a calm, informed decision in June and July. Hit like, subscribe for daily videos, and drop a comment. Which item surprised you most?